Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of using Scene Builder. So in this video, we'll just get started. What we're going to do is add a new screen for Add Student. So what we want to accomplish here is we want to have our previous item, which is our main view. So actually if we play, let's run this real quick. I'll show you what we're trying to accomplish today. Run as Java application. Alright, so right now we just have CIT, we go to home, we have engineering, we go to home. So what we want to do is have another button here, click add, and it brings up another window for adding student information. Eventually in another video that I have out there, or we'll have out there, is we'll add information, input username, pass, and so forth. But right now, this is a start. So let's get this started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is go to our main view. This guy right here, we need to right click on him and click open scene builder. So real quick, I went to my main view.fxml and clicked open scene builder. Alright, and it's over here. Great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new button. So I'm going to go up to the top here, type in button. I'm going to drag this guy down here. Great. And I'm going to go up to layout. What's going on my layout? Okay, maybe not. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to change add. I'm going to make that a bold. There we go. Perfect. Actually worked for once. Alright, so we have bold there. The next thing that we need to do is go to layout now and change the width of it to 80. Okay. And let's see here. We need to add spacing to it. So if I click on the pane down here, I can come down here, click on the pane, go to properties. And I know I have spacing somewhere around here. Let's see what I'm trying to do. Actually, the spacing's fine the way it is. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so I'm going to save that, Control S, or File and Save. I'm going to close out of here for now. And we'll go over to my main controller, main view controller. So this guy right here. I'm gonna double click on him. Yeah, that's the one I want. Alright, so what I need to do is I need to add another method here. So I'm gonna do fxml. I'm gonna type in private void. I'm gonna call it go. Actually add button, because that's what it's called, add button. And I'm going to throw in the exception up here as well. So I'm going to do throws IO exception. Perfect. Alright. So can't add anything here yet, so I'm going to hit save. The next thing I need to do is go into my main.java over here. We have to create a method over here to do something. So I'm going to click enter here. And what we're going to need to do is, actually before I do that, we're going to need to add a method here. Before I need to do that is I'm going to jump around over to student view and I'm going to create a new fxml document. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this guy here, hit new. Remember, we're going to go down to other. We're now going to go to new fxml document, hit next. The name that we're going to call it is add new student and just leave it as border pane and hit finish. Alright, I'm going to close out of that. I am now going to find my add new student. I'm going to right click on him, choose open with scene builder. Alrighty, so I'm going to pull this guy over here so you can see him. What we need to do first and foremost is to change the size of it. So I'm going to go to the border pane. I'm going to go to layout. I'm going to change the size to a 400 by 500. So I'm going to do 400, 500. There we go. Now, I'm going to add a box down here. So I'm going to look for the horizontal box and do H box. Okay, click on that and add that to the bottom here. All right. And now what I need to do is change the size of it. So I click on the bottom and I am going to see what we need here. We have 200 for the width. We're going to make the height a little smaller. We'll make it 40. All right, so I made it nice and small, what we need. Now, we need to add two buttons here. We need to add an OK button and a cancel button. So right now I'm going to go back up here and type in button. So let's drag a button down here. And another button down here. Alright, so the first button is, let's see here. So let me think about this. Let's right click on it. I don't think we want to select parent now. We want to change the size of it, the property. Well, let's change the name of it first. Okay. And then this button right here will be cancel. But we need to change the alignment of it. Okay, so right now it says left. So let's do alignment center. Whoops, not top center. Center. And is it this one here? There we go. So what I did is I actually clicked on the pane down here and chose alignment as center. But we need spacing on this here because this right here should do it. Alright, then alright, so let's go, hold on. Let's go to layout. There should be a spacing area on here somewhere. Am I blind? Oh, here it is. I guess I am blind. So go to layout and hit 10. So as you see here, these buttons separate. Alright. So we have two buttons, layout, two buttons, OK and cancel. Alright. So I am now going to, let's see here, Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I am going to hit save right now. So I'm going to hit Control S or just save. And I'm going to close this guy out for now. Not doing anything else with him. Alright, clear this down here. I don't know why this does this. Alright. Clear. There we go. Alright, so now a couple other things that we need to do. So we're in the main Java. And we need to create that method now. Okay. So as we said before, we needed a method. Wow. My phone is just blowing up. Alright, so we're going to go to public static void. Call it show add stage. Okay. Perfect. Alright. We are going to do the fxml that we have up here. So we're going to type in fxml loader. Actually, you know what? Let's not do this. Let's make life easy. Copy and paste this guy here. Boom. Great. Now we need to have a loader location. So we'll do, we call it my loader. So pretty much going to be the same as up here. Almost. So we're going to copy this guy here. But what are we going to change different here? Well, you're right if you guessed. We're not going to use engineering. What are we going to use? We're going to use the view for student view. So we're going to change this to view. And we're going to change the name of it, not engineering department. What's this one called? Any guesses? Add new student. Right. All right. So now we're using the borderline pane. So I'm going to do border. I'm going to do borderline, add new student, and then I'm going to do equals myloader dot load. Alright, so something didn't like. Let's see, what didn't I like? Did I type it in wrong? Borderline. That is border pane. Yeah, see, I'm losing my mind. It's border pane. Not sure why I put borderline. Border pane equals, border pane equals myloader.load. But why did it not like that? So let's do this and see what I typed in wrong. Alright, equals control V dot loader, right? Load. I think I had loader. Alright, so it's still not working. Oh, you see what's going on here? I don't have the throws exception up here. So if I highlight this and do add throws declaration, fixes it. Jeez. Alright. See, anything can happen. Alright, so I need to add, do stage. I'm going to do stage. Call something called add dialog. Stage equals new stage. And then I'm going to do add dialog stage dot set title, and then I'm going to do add new student. Alright, then I'm going to do add dialog stage. I'm going to make this easy and just copy it. That's because I see I'm butchering it here. Alright, good. So we already have set title. Now we're going to do init modality. We did this in our, if you remember, we did this, we were just learning JavaFX. So I'm going to do dot window modal. Alright, good. Alright, so we have that. Now we're going to do something else again. We're going to do this. We're going to do init owner. And owner is the primary stage. So we have primary stage. Did I do it wrong? Yep. So it's uppercase S. Oh, that's right. Copy that guy. Huh. Let's see what is going on here. Alright, so I think I see what I did. This has to be stage. Something's wrong here. Alright, let me start over. Something is way too wrong here. Alright, so we have the modal, and that is fine. Did we forget something? Alright, we have stage, add dialog stage, Got that. We got the set title. We got init module. We need to have add dialog. Oops. Dialog stage dot init owner. We need to have primary stage. And that's what we had, I think. I didn't like it. Why? I don't know. I'll go back to that. Something's funky there. So I'll do scene equals new scene, and then put add new student, and close that. And then I'm gonna do add dialog stage dot set scene. Call it scene. We've called it everything at this point. We need to do a show and wait, so something's still not working. There we go. Now I need to figure out why my primary stage is playing games with me. Okay. Now it tells me to change it to static, and I think what my problem is, if you scroll up the top, you notice how I have static borderline, but I don't have this guy static. I think this is why, because we're trying to use this stage somewhere else outside of the program, and it doesn't recognize it. So I need to make that. There we go. That worked. So if you have that problem, that is why. All right, what's going on? All right, ESP is having fun. All right, so now I know I have that. I'm gonna save this. I'll mess this up. I'm gonna go back to my main view controller. So go back over here. And what I need to do is I need to add a value in here, because I already have this here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in main.show add stage, because we just programmed that area. Great. I'm gonna save that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the scene builder. We'll need to add a button, I believe. Let's see here. Oops, sorry. Open with scene builder. We have OK. Let's see here. All right, so let's see if this works. So going to refresh this guy here. Clear this out. Going to hit run as application. All right, let's drag this over here. Make sure that still works. All right, hit add. Well, that's not good. So what the heck is going on? All right, so we have the add stage. What are we missing? So let's go back to main view, open scene builder, and let's click on add. Let's click on the controller first. Got the controller there, but no FX IDs. All right, so let's see something here. Okay, on action is missing, add button. Let's try that and save that and see if that works. So let's save that, exit out. Going to refresh this. I'm now going to try it again. And bring this guy over here. Perfect. So now we've programmed the ability to take this and click add and move it over here. So now we have this new button right here. Nothing happens right now, but in my next video we're going to program this part as well. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching, I should say, and thank you for being patient while I couldn't figure out some things here. But that's the thing about programming, it's all a game till you figure it out. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. Thanks again. Good day.